So today we will learn about the logical operators. In the previous session, we only used one condition to test the entire condition and it returns either true or false. But what if you want to test multiple conditions? For example, let's say if the weather outside is hot and if I know how to swim, then I will go out for a swimming. But if the weather outside is hot and if I don't know how to swim, then I will not go for a swimming. We can use the AND operator in this case. If you look at the condition, there are two conditions to test. If both conditions evaluates to true, then the whole condition becomes true and the message will get logged in the console. But if any one condition evaluates to false, the whole condition becomes false and the message will not get logged in the console. You can use AND operator by adding two ampersand symbol just like in the example, and you can test as many conditions as you want. But the only thing to remember is if any one condition evaluates to false, the whole condition becomes false. We can use the OR operator as well. When using this operator, if any one condition evaluates to true, the whole condition becomes true and the message will get logged in the console. You can use the OR operator by adding two pipe symbol, just like in the example. And like the AND operator, you can test as many conditions as you want, but if any one condition evaluates to true, the whole condition becomes true. Now, let's take them in action. Let me declare a variable age and assign them it to 20. Inside the condition, let me add 15 is less than age and age is less than 30. This returns true. If we look at the first condition, this is true. 15 is less than age is 20, so it returns true. The second condition is also true. 20 is less than 30. When both conditions are true, the entire condition becomes true. Now let me update the value of age to 40. Again, let me run the same condition using the up arrow. Now it returns false. If I check the first condition, this is true, 15 is less than 40. But if I look the second condition, this is false, 40 is not less than 30. So using AND operator, when one condition is false, the entire condition becomes false. Now let me update the age to 10. When I run the same condition again, it returns false because the first condition is false. 15 is not less than 10. But the second condition is true. 10 is less than 30. When one condition is false, the entire condition becomes false, so it returns false. Finally, let me update the value of age into string 10. Now when I run the same condition, it returns false. This time, both conditions are false. We can't compare number and string, so the whole condition becomes false. Now let's take the OR operator. So let me create a new variable, agree, and assign them to yes. In the condition, if I add agree is strictly equal to yes, or agree is strictly equal to y. This returns true because the first condition is true and the second condition is false. But when we use OR operator, when one condition becomes true, the whole condition becomes true. Now let me update the value of agree to y. If I run the same condition again, it returns true because the first condition is false and the second condition is true. Again, when one condition becomes true, the entire condition becomes true. Now let me update the value of agree to n. When I run the same condition, this time it returns false because the first condition is false and the second condition is false as well. When both conditions are false, the entire condition becomes false. So feel free to use this AND operator and OR operator in your program to make it more functional. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will cover the fifth topic, challenge. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.